In this video, you will see how Book Images section allows upload of all book images in one go. Single-click on the book on the bookshelf and then select the option project setup from the menu. Upload or drag and drop the images from your computer onto the Book Images section in the Upload Files tab. Click Save to trigger the upload. Uploaded images will be aggregated at the book level. To move the uploaded book images to respective chapter art tab, open a chapter in the editor. Click on Insert Image and select the picture icon. Insert Image interface will display the book images. This is in addition to the images that you might have already uploaded to the Chapter Art tab. Legend panel opens by default when accessing the interface. Select the caption from Legend and Image from Gallery to link caption and image. Image will be inserted in the file and grouped with the legend. This will be marked as linked in the Legend panel. Captions in the chapter that have not yet been linked will continue to display as unlinked. Link the remaining captions to their respective images. All captions will now be listed under linked. All images linked to the respective captions will be moved to the respective Chapter Art tab. Repeat the linking of images and caption in Editor for the remaining chapters in the book.